For our power level, we needed to swap out the injectors included with the supercharger. We chose a set of Deechworks 90 pound-per-hour injectors. After lubing the O-rings with synthetic grease, the injectors pop into the fuel rails.
The coolant manifolds are reinstalled. Just like when we removed them, slow and easy does it. The fuel rails are next. The Phytech map sensor gets bolted down, and the 102mm throttle body finishes it off. Earl's Performance Plumbing offers adapters to replace the stock push-on style fuel rail connector with an AN style fitting. Since we've never run a setup like this before, we fabbed up a throttle bracket that mounts to the top of our blower, making sure to re-torque the bolts to spec.
After that, we'll install the wideband O2 sensor supplied with the Phytech system. The electrical connections begin with the fuel injectors, followed by the coil packs. Then we are ready for the plug-and-play wiring harness and the ECU. All the connections are labeled so installation is quick and easy. The Magnuson kit includes a heat exchanger for the supercharger. Just for dyno purposes, we'll temporarily install it on our dyno cart using zip ties and a light touch.
Connections to the supercharger are made with quick disconnect fittings, which are a breeze to install.
Are you ready for some goodness here?
I'm ready.
Are you ready for this?
Sounds rowdy.
785 horse, 680 pound-feet of torque.
Whoa!
That's not
Smashed the
bad.
number.